Here we go again. Welcome. This time I will repot my biggest Ansellia Africana I've got. I say my biggest, not my tallest. I dedicate this video to poor Inse who ordered an Ansellia last month but didn't know what it was in for. I filmed this repotting on Saturday, June 10th, at the beginning of our first heatwave when there still was a bit of wind. Since temperatures went up over 10 degrees over the last 5 days, no more clouds in the sky and full sun, this orchid and a few others of mine decided to abort or blast some or all of their buds. So I thought, why not? Let's repot this one, because it really needed it. My followers know that before I repot, I always soak my orchids in a weak seaweed solution for 20 to 30 minutes and gets them going much quicker than when soaking them in plain water. It also makes it possible to distinguish the dead roots from the live ones much easier. I bought this plant last September and it should have been repotted then, but as you know, I like to let orchids adjust to my environment for at least 4 to 6 weeks. It was too late to repot then, and due to circumstances, it didn't happen in early spring either. And now it's in spike again, but it needs to come out of its 10 centimeter pot, that's a 4-inch pot, before it bursts out of its pot. It won't be easy because it has a thick and very dense root system, so I just decided to cut it off. Well, that didn't go so easy either, so I started tearing off as much pieces of the pot I could. As you can see, this is a big, firm root ball and all roots are in perfect condition. So I either could cut them off, something I really don't want to do, or instead of trying to remove the little bit of substrate that still is in there and just pot it on the way it is. And that's what I will do. To put it on, I chose a very sturdy glazed Vietnamese pot that I've had for over 30 years now. It's frost hardy, but the main thing, because it's so heavy, the orchid won't tip over in the wind. As a growing media, I will be using a mix of 50% medium to large bark, 25% of small bark and 25% charcoal. Ansellia Africana has a huge distribution area in Africa, and it can be found from just under the desert in Central Africa all the way down to the tip of South Africa. After doing research, I found that this one is the Zambia type. Canes are very thick, 2.5 to 3 centimeters or just over an inch thick, and the canes have a length of around 75 centimeters or 3.5 foot. The flowers are bigger than usual and star-shaped, and I hope I can save a few buds to show its blooms at a later date. Thanks for visiting my channel again. Please like and subscribe if you like my videos, and hope to see you next time when I mount 2 totally different new orchids.